Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing a game that we're gonna open these Shopkins, and whoever opens the golden egg, they win. So let's get opening. So I'm gonna hide the golden egg, and they need to the golden egg, and if they open it, then they win.
Okay.
So the two of us are gonna play. So I'm gonna start by opening this one. And we have B for Betty Boot. And here it is. This is the special edition Betty Boot. So we're gonna, here's Rolly Roll for her. She has an R, so that means she gets to put it in the ice cream store, and that also means that she gets to skip. I get to skip my turn to her turn again. So I'm gonna open another one up for her. Ooh, and we got Snow Crush. That's her favorite Shopkin. So we're gonna move Peppermint and Donatina, and we're gonna put her in here so she can say icy cold so she doesn't melt. I'm gonna do my turn. So we have Nutty Butters. So I have Nutty Butter, so that means it gets to go in the Happy Home. So we're gonna put it in the kitty kitchen. So we're gonna put it near Donatina. Which name, so can you leave it down in the comments? Oh no! It is my turn to open on. And it is, the special edition Hattie hat. So, no one got to open the golden egg yet. So here's the Hattie hat. It has pink and white. We're gonna let Alicia wear it for now. Or we're gonna put it in the Dreamy Bears. Now it's her turn to do this. Ooh, and she got X for Mixie Maxie. So we're gonna put it on the tile because no one wants that. So we're gonna put it over there. So these are empties. So it's my turn to open one. Ooh, and we got a Lego Delish donut that can fall apart. And then you can fix it again. Ah, no. Okay. So we're gonna put her here too. She'll stay on the green for now. So let's open this one for her. Ooh, and she got Googie. So here's Googie. She has a little egg yolk coming out. So now it's my turn to open this one. Ooh, and it's L for Lisa Litter. So we'll put it here in the Dreamy Bear set so they can throw stuff away. And the next one, it's her turn. Oh, this is an empty. So we're gonna open this one for her. And it's Cheesy. Cheesy. So we're gonna put her in the kitty kitchen. No, let's just put her here. So this, oh no. So here's my turn, and it's E for Earring Twins. Ah, no. So we're gonna put them in here because they want to. This drawer can open. Will they fit? No, they won't. So we're gonna put Earring Twins in here. So here it is. So let's open this one for me, I guess. So here is Fiona Fries. For F. And the one that's for her is Apple Blossom for A. So the next one is I don't know this one's name. I know it's ice cream, but I don't know its name, so can you leave it down in the comments? So the next one for me is Zappy Microwave. So we found an ultra rare. And here is Zappy Microwave, the big microwave. So we'll put her here so they can cook. No! So we're going to open this one for her, and it is Promi. So here is Promi. Ah!
It's okay.
So you can actually put it on a Shopee doll. Don't forget to subscribe to Jolly Jelly Toys.